Imagine standing at the crossroads of comfort and possibility. The warm, familiar ground under your feet hums with safety. But somewhere ahead, just beyond sight, lies a horizon pulsing with light, whispers of dreams yet untold. That was our traveler, a boy who, despite yearning in his heart, hadn't moved in years. Until one day he heard footsteps, steady, deliberate, unafraid. A younger boy bounded past, stepping onto the dusty road without hesitation. In that moment, our hero realized just how far time could slip away if he continued to wait. "What are you waiting for?" That question, quiet yet urgent, lit his courage. He packed a modest satchel, bread, water, a thin blanket. His heart pounded, his hometown receding with every step. Suddenly thirsty and weary, he sat under the noon sun. The sandals pinched his feet until each step felt like climbing a mountain. Yet every step, however painful, mattered. Real-life parallel. Think of someone learning a language. Day one, tongue-tangled, phrases stumble. Intimidating, yes, but that stumble is your first step. That night, 3 travelers returned home with hollow eyes. They'd given up. "Stay home," they urged. "The city will take more than it gives." But listen closely. That's the voice of doubt that speaks into all of us. Only you can decide whether to trust strangers or your own dream. Real-life parallel. Ever felt like quitting fitness, career, study, or creative work because someone else quit? And now you're asking yourself if you should too? You're not alone, but your path is yours. On the road, an old man offered bread without a word. Later, he shared a secret. Break the journey into steps. Don't carry the city in your mind. Just carry the next step. That's where resilience begins, not in sweeping visions, but in soft resolve. Real-life parallel. The mentor who reminds you, just write 1 sentence, draft 1 chapter, 1 rep, 1 minute of practice. That's how experts start. Rain battered him, mud sucked at his feet. Light vanished under gray skies. He couldn't see his next move without focusing on the step beneath him. 1 step, then another. Eventually, he found a hut sheltered from the elements, but more importantly, he recognized he moved through the storm. Real-life parallel. Facing burnout, health issues, emotional overwhelm, sometimes just setting 1 small goal, even getting out of bed, is enough to carry through the storm. He found a village. Warm soup, soft beds, friendly smiles. It was tempting. Safety spoke so loudly. But his dream, distant though it was, whispered louder. He packed his bag at dawn, feeling gratitude, not regret, for the pause and firm resolve for more road ahead. Real-life parallel. Choosing growth over comfort. Leaving a stable job to launch a business. Choosing to move cities. Risk change for your passion. The pause is valuable, but it must propel, not detain. Crossing shaky bridges without fear. Climbing hills. Trusting his body to carry him farther. Markers along the road no longer mocked the distance. They celebrated it. He noticed the sunrise glow, the music of birds, dewdrops glimmering. The journey becomes companion, not burden. Real-life parallel in weight loss. 1 pound lost, 1 healthy meal, 1 day of meditation. Each small win fuels something bigger. A steep, breath-stealing climb brought him to mountain's peak. Below lay his destination, glowing and glittering. But his joy lay fuller in the climb than in the view. The city gates rose as witness, not as victory. At the gates, he paused. The world beyond was alive with possibility. His story, born in struggle, his strength, built step by step.